I recently teamed up with fellow Cape Town-based creator Sean Kitching and Zhiyun to make a collaboration video with the new Crane 3 Lab gimbal. The goal was to create 5 unique shots across Cape Town to showcase some of the gimbal's new features. Here are my 5 shots along with the behind the scenes of how I created them. To get this shot, I woke up super early to get to the top of Cliff Corner before sunrise. By using the Zhiyun-Play app, I was able to set the start and stop points for the time-lapse to get an awesome moving time-lapse. Hyperlapses are one of my favorite shots to do on a gimbal. To do this one, I used an ND1000 filter to get a 0.5 second shutter speed. Then I used the pan follow mode on the gimbal to get a super smooth hyperlapse. The next shot was to do something creative, to use a gimbal in a way that would never normally be done. I had a pretty crazy idea to mount a super high powered LED on the gimbal to create an epic mobile lighting rig. So I built a mount for it and attached it to the gimbal and found an old bridge to test it out at night. To get these shots, I went to Newlands Forest to shoot some underslung and sport mode videos of my dog. Normally shooting in underslung mode with the gimbal is a nightmare, but the Crane 3 Lab makes it so easy, while still staying super stable in sport mode. Lastly, I headed to Burkhardt to use Vortex Mode. I used the colorful walls to create a dynamic sequence of shots. This is made so easy by the unique handle design of the gimbal. So those are all 5 of my shots. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go and check out Sean's video. He made some super crazy shots and it's awesome to see exactly how he did it. Zhiyun's links are also in the description below.